Hey there, my name is James and today we will discuss learning theory and instructional design. Learning theories explain how people learn and retain information. They help create effective, tailored learning experiences for learners by addressing how people process information, build knowledge, and what motivates them. Let's learn how to use them in instructional design to achieve desired learning outcomes. In 2020, Brow, Fox, and Robinson defined behaviorism as a study of how controlled changes to a subject's environment affect the subject's observable behavior. You've likely seen behaviorism in action. Everyday examples include offering students 10 bonus points on their upcoming exam for arriving early to class, or a local ice cream business offering reward cards, giving a free ice cream after 8 purchases. Now, let's look at an example in instructional design. In this example, learners answer multiple-choice questions after a company policy training. Accurate answers earn them a reward, like a free PTO day. Correct answers are rewarded with points, while incorrect answers encourage review and retry. This gamified approach uses behaviorism to help learners retain information. Keller's ARCS model aims to maintain learner motivation through a learning experience by outlining attention, relevance, confidence, and satisfaction. The attention category captures the learner's interest using bold headers, dynamic colors, or a course opener video with a relevant scenario. The relevance category makes learning personal by showing how the gained knowledge directly impacts the individual. The personable graphic of the remote worker and quote by Steve Jobs displays the relevance category here. The confidence category builds learner confidence by providing autonomy over their learning and providing incremental feedback. For example, a step-by-step guide helps learners improve their well-being independently while working remotely. The satisfaction category provides opportunities for accomplishment or external rewards. This is shown at the bottom of the infographic, where it provides key takeaways, linked learning resources, discounts, and connections with other remote workers. Richard Meyer's cognitive theory of multimedia learning explains how learners process visual and auditory information. In 2021, Conklin and Oyerson stated that this theory is based on cognitivism and suggests that effective learning happens when instructional materials align with the human cognitive system. To support the human cognitive system, Meyer emphasized low cognitive load and easy integration of new information by developing the 12 principles of multimedia learning. Let's explore a few of these principles. The foundational principle is the multimedia principle, which says that humans learn more effectively from words and pictures than just words alone. For example, using a relevant AI-generated image in coordination with words to enhance the information. Another principle is the spatial contiguity principle. This principle states that humans learn more effectively when relevant text and visuals are physically close together. In addition, using arrows and text boxes for organization helps learners connect related information. In 2019, Andrew Diebel discovered that Meyer found when learners can control the pace of their learning, they perform better on recall tests. This leads us to the segmenting principle, which states that humans learn best when information is presented in segments, rather than one long continuous stream. Learning designers can display functional navigational buttons and customizable video settings, like offering closed captions and audio or video transcripts. The pre-training principle says that humans learn more effectively if they are aware of the basic terms, definitions, or concepts prior to the learning experience. For example, provide a course guide, pre-training notes, guidelines, or consistent resources like a glossary. Another principle shown here is the signaling principle, where humans learn more efficiently when shown precisely what to pay attention to with visual cues. Do you see the highlights on the screen? This displays the signaling principle as your eyes gravitated to the highlighted sections. Originating in 1990, Cleveland Innes and Horoluck found the community of inquiry framework emphasizes interaction, collaboration, and connections in the online learning environment. Constructivism underpins the COI framework, highlighting the importance of social interactions and real-world context. COI creates a learner-centered environment where learners construct their understanding through interactions and experiences in social, cognitive, teaching, and emotional presences in courses. The social presence Slack channel We Grow Together helps students connect, communicate, and build relationships. Students respond to weekly surprise topics, show support, and meet with the instructor. Moderators promote personal expression, group cohesion, and collaborative learning to boost engagement and growth. The cognitive presence channel, always learning, helps learners construct and confirm understanding through reflection and conversation. It provides prompts to problem solve, field transformations, explore beyond the course, and find resolutions to real-world issues. Moderators engage students by responding to posts and facilitating collaborative activities. The emotional presence channel, Daily Dose, shares inspirational quotes to promote transparency, communication, and empathy. Students can respond with emojis and expressive language, creating a safe environment. Moderators ensure the channel remains empathetic, collaborative, and safe. In 2020, Ullman stated that sociocultural theory emphasizes social interactions and cultural context in cognitive development and is evolving and situational. Here are 3 objectives for a team-building activity. Do you see how they encourage inclusivity, social interaction, collaboration, and problem-solving as a team? This exemplifies sociocultural theory and situated learning. Sharing a personal narrative relative to the learning experience aligns with situated learning by promoting critical evaluation, communal learning, and diverse perspectives. This engages learners in real-world contexts, encourages reflection, fosters a sense of community, and enhances the relevance and appreciation of the material. Ryan and Deci state that self-determination theory focuses on how different motivations affect engagement quality. Motivation can be intrinsic, a learner wanting to improve their knowledge, or extrinsic, needing an external prompt. For example, an e-learning module on phishing promotes new employees' autonomy with adaptive scenarios and real-time feedback. This helps them learn at their own pace, build confidence, and practice phishing management. Transactional distance is a psychological variable in learning that shifts based on autonomy, structure, and conversation. When dialogue increases, transactional distance decreases, and learners exercise more autonomy. In the e-learning module, transactional distance is reduced by AI prompting learners to engage in metacognitive exercises throughout the module, such as writing reflections to summarize key takeaways and identify areas of difficulty. AI personalization occurs to review concepts and pose targeted questions to assess knowledge acquisition. As you have learned today, using learning theories in learning design will elevate learners' experience immeasurably and lead to achievable learning outcomes. Dr. Morgan shares that learning theories serve as the foundation for instructional design, similar to designing a blueprint for a new home. It must be sturdy and functional. However, not all home builders achieve this goal in the same way. Alas, learning theories can be intertwined and strengthen one another. For example, using Meyer's segmenting principle along with self-determination theory provides the opportunity for more autonomy as a whole. How can you use multiple theories in your learning designs? Let us know in the comment section below. Thank you for learning with us today.